Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Shinco portable air conditioner is running but not cooling the room properly, it can be very frustrating, especially during hot weather. You may feel that the fan is working but the air is not cold as expected. This problem usually happens due to airflow issues, incorrect settings, or blockage inside the unit rather than a complete failure. Since portable AC units depend on proper ventilation and clean airflow, even a small issue like a dirty filter or improper exhaust setup can reduce cooling performance. Many users overlook these small details and assume the unit is damaged. It is important to check each part carefully so the cooling can return to normal. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Shinko portable air conditioner that is not cooling. Try these. 1. Set the Shinko portable air conditioner to cooling mode and lower the temperature. 2. Clean the air filter of the Shinko portable air conditioner to improve airflow. 3. Check the exhaust hose of the Shinko portable air conditioner for proper installation. 4. Make sure the Shinko portable air conditioner is connected to a stable power source. 5. Close doors and windows around the Shinko portable air conditioner for better cooling. 6. Run the Shinko portable air conditioner again and check if cooling improves.